so welcome back. So today I'll be attempting to do one of NAPTURAL85's natural hair tutorial. Now she does beautiful hairstyles. Her hair is so amazing and I always admire how she treats it, and so I decided that I was going to go ahead and try to follow one of her tutorials. So wish me luck. I don't know if I can, do it as well as she does, but wish me luck and let's see how I can get my little hair to do, because her hair is so luscious and lovely. I am like, oh, I love it. Anywho, my hair is very dry. It needs to be washed. It's very dry. As you can see, it doesn't have a lot of life, but we're gonna persevere. We're gonna work through this. So let's just jump into this tutorial, because I want to see how well I can get her hairstyle. So let's go. Okay, so she started off with stretch detangled hair. Mine is a bit stretched, but it's far from being detangled. So the first thing she does is part this side down. I kind of have a part already, but I'm going to redo it. Okay, so she does a side part here first. Okay, so she just twists that and put that to one side, like so. Okay, and she proceeds to do the other side. So she does the same part on this side. So she does something like this to make sure that it's parted at the same place. She uses her brows as reference. So this is going to go this way. Close enough. Twist as well, just to get that off the way.
So that should equal about another third of hair, twisting it up and clipping it out of the way.
Now, hold up, little missy, wait a minute. Okay, so she has this part left in the middle. She has this part in the middle left. So what she does is part it. Okay, she puts a part across, so she kind of parts it in half. Okay, so she's parted like this, and then she's going to separate the front as well. She separates the front. Run out of clips. And then for the back part that was left, she separates that, parts it down the middle, and then she adds it to the side ones. And then she adds it to this one.
So now we should have 3 sections.
She adds it to this one. Okay, what else? Okay, so to start off with this side, let's start off with this side. She uses her moisturizer. I'm using the Cantu, which I always use. My hair is so dry, you guys, I don't know what to do. So she moisturizes all the way through. Then she used some kind of cream to seal the moisture in. I'm using the Cantu leave-in conditioning cream to seal the moisture in. Put some on the ends as well. Alright, after that she uses some of her, I think she used some edge control or some kind of gel, and she sleeks down the edges like this. Okay, and then she uses her brush to brush that in place. So when she reaches the end, she plats it all the way down to the ends, and then she does a twist like I usually do when I cornrow my hair. So she plats it down like so. And then she starts to twist it like this. She twists, twirls around her fingers, and then she uses an elastic band, which I don't have. I don't have any elastic band, so I'm just gonna have to leave it like this. And then she does the other side. She does the same thing she did on this side on the other side. So let's go. You twist the ends again and twirl it around the fingers. These two are done, and she's going to move. She's moving to the top part. Okay, so she unravels and she sections that into 3. Okay, so first she takes the front
and then 2-strand twisting the hair down.
And she puts some cream on the ends, but I'm just going to put cream all over mine because my hair is really dry.
These sections, I'm adding my moisturizers and sealants to the ends only. Why? Because I don't
So
want
I'll
it
be
diverting, and then I also don't want the product weighing.
putting the cream all over. And then she twists. She does a 2-strand twist all the way down.
Now let that twist go and allow it to fluff up and get nice and chunky while you grab the second side.
And she doesn't do it too tight because she wants it to be a little bit fluffy, so she does it loose. Let it fluff up. And then the same thing here, she parts another one. Do another part here. And then I'm going to go ahead and moisturize. She grabs all three like this, and then she brings them around like this. She tucks them around like this, and she uses her pins to pin them in place. Alright, so this is similar. I think it's similar to what she does. I think mine is a bit too high at the top because I probably needed to sweep it around some more. Okay, so this is something like what hers looks like. Boom, boom, boom. She put some more gel to sleek down the front. Alright, so she also showed us a way in which you could wear it to work or out. And what she does is twist the two cornrows at the back like this and just tuck them in right here with two bobby pins. She does this. So all she does is tuck them in with two bobby pins. So let's just do that. Okay, so she's accessorizing, so she's using some of her little hair accessories and she just puts them on the cornrows like that. I hate these ones, they're not very sturdy. So what I was saying here, guys, is that I think I did an okay job, and if you agree, please let me know in the comment section down below. I think it's a great style and I really enjoyed doing it. I really like this style. You guys let me know how you feel about it in the comment section down below. I hope I made Natural85 proud. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thumbs up if you did. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.